Hi everybody, James Tierney with Tierney Education coming at you with an opportunity cost question. This came in from a student who's taking an exam soon, so I want to make sure I get this video out. Make sure you like and subscribe so that way when I make more econ videos, which I'm trying to do more of this semester, as I say every semester, you'll be able to get a notification and check them out. So this is about opportunity cost, like I said. What is the opportunity cost? Well, remember, opportunity cost is what you give up. So the idea is what you are giving up or what your next best opportunity is. So let's look at what this question tells us. It tells us what Frank can do. Right? He can either mow half a yard or wash one car in 1 hour. So if I want to find the opportunity cost of one car, of washing one car, I need to think of this. First, how long does this take? Okay, so how long does this take for him to do that? It says that in an hour he can wash one car, so it takes 1 hour. The next thing you think about is you say, okay, what else could he have done with that time? Right? What else could he have done with that time? Well, let's look back up here, right? Every hour, right, he can mow a half a yard, right? So could have mowed 1/2 a yard. So what does that tell me? That tells me the opportunity cost of one car wash is 1/2 mowed lawns. Right, because in that hour, he could have only done a half of a yard. Now, that was the opportunity cost of one car. What about the opposite? What about the opportunity cost of mowing 1 yard? Well, we'll make this a little smaller so we can fit everything on one screen. How long does this take? Well, in order to mow 1 yard, it would actually take 2 hours, right? That can be a little confusing. It takes 1 hour to do a half a yard, so to do a full yard, it would take 2 hours. So then the second thing I care about, right? What else could they have done? Well, in 2 hours, could have washed 2 cars. So there you have it. That must mean the opportunity cost of one lawn mowed is 2 cars washed. Opportunity cost is just what you're giving up, what you could have done in that same time. So if your professor asks you to find the opportunity cost, you just have to say, hey, in order to wash a car, it took me how long? In this case, it was 1 hour. And what could I have done? I could have mowed a half a yard. On the flip side, if it's asking about mowing a yard, I mowed a yard. It takes me an hour to mow a half a yard. So that would be 2 hours to mow the full yard. And in those 2 hours, I could have washed the 2 cars. That's how you do one of these questions about opportunity cost. Hope you liked it. It's a real quick video. Again, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.